So good day everyone. So today let us continue to tackle about the in a topic nutrient cycling, and now let's discuss about the integrated nutrient management or INM. So no, because of those limitations, so the organic and inorganic inputs have the limitations. So the modern soil science or suggests not a combined approach called integrated nutrient management or the INM. So essentially, INM is a strategy that combines organic and chemical methods. So meaning, ang INM, it is a strategy. So meaning na-adjure ka ng buhaton. So no, instead of relying only on mga synthetic fertilizers, no, Ate Regine mentioned no those mga synthetic mga fertilizers na makadaot sa ato ang soil. Why not we integrate compost, no? Na compost, kanang manure, mga crop residues, and other nga mga organic materials with kanang mga chemical inputs. So this approach, no, the INM approach, no, works by, of course, maintaining our soil productivity, supporting biological health, and improving nutrient efficiency. So, organic inputs improve our soil structure and increase the microbial activity. Now, while in chemical na mga fertilizers, of course, they provide mga immediate nutrients when crops need them the most. Diba? Ang ato ang chemical na mga fertilizers kay kanang kung need na jud og nutrients atong mga crops kay maggamit ta og kanang mga chemical fertilizers, pero if the organic inputs man good kay it improves our soil structure, and of course mas daghan og nutrients ang soil if magamit lang ta only o kanang mga organic nga mga inputs. So, no, INM is highly recommended no for mga tropical soils. Philippines is a tropical soils, not to ensure the land that stays healthy and productive in the long term. So, now let's proceed to the implications for Philippine soils. So implications for Philippine soils. So kanang why is this so important for us, no? Nganong importante man siya to, especially sa Philippines. So Philippine soils are often, di ba, acidic, no, highly weathered, and prone to phosphorus fixation, no. Philippines, no, because of mga heavy rainfall and high temperatures. Di ba nga itong mabantayan kay ang Philippines kay kusog jud kayo ang ulan, and of course kay mga high temperatures. That is why the nutrients from the soil can easily be lost from the soil, di ba? Imbis ang soil kay naay nutrients tungod sa heavy rainfall, high temperatures kay mawala ang iyang nutrients or naay leaching nga mahitabo. So to manage no our land sustainability, we must focus on replenishing the organic matter and ensuring balanced nutrient application. That is why we have the INM, no? Because INM is a combination between organic matter and chemical inputs. So the organic matter, diba, it improves soil structure, increases water holding capacity, and helps retain nutrients. So, ang mga organic matter man good kay malahi gid ang structure sa soil, mas magka-improve siya and ma-increase ang water holding capacity and ang nutrients kay ma-retain dagit niya, no. If we fail no to maintain this organic mga inputs, no, after converting land for farming, no, we will see a very rapid decline in soil fertility. That is why sustainable nutrient management is essential in our context. So that is why there are sustainable management to kanang the soil continues its fertility. So in conclusion, no, to wrap things up, no, from the start, from the report of um, Reka, Monjuvi, and Ate Regine, and Zakuang INM, no, to wrap things up, no, soil fertility is a complex balance of the biological, no, chemical, and of course, climatic factors. So, while the NPK cycles, diba? Ma'am Jovi discussed the NPK cycles. It sustains our it sustains our productivity. They are vulnerable in tropical environments, and Philippines is a tropical environment like ours, no, due to intense weathering and nutrient loss. Nabasayan kay ang nutrients nga nasa soil kay ma-wash lang siya. So the best path forward is balancing organic and chemical inputs. That is why there are like approach nga gitawag og integrated nutrient management to balance the organic and the chemical inputs. So this is the most sustainable way to keep our soil productive while preserving its health for future generations. So through sa INM or integrated nutrient management, dili lang kita ang maka benefits but of course our future generation. So dili lang kita ang maka sinati og fertile nga soil or healthy nga soil, but if we kanang do actions or if kanang ang katong INM ato siyang gamito, no, it can balance our soil. So thank you for listening and God bless us all, guys. There's other more reference, guys. Thank you.